hydrogenation furnace is an essential raw oil refining equipment in the petrochemical industry. Its furnace temperature can reach up to 900 degrees Celsius, and the atmosphere inside is usually reducing. To withstand high temperature impacts and maintain thermal stability, refractory ceramic fiber fold blocks are often used as the lining for the radiant room furnace walls and the furnace top. These areas are directly exposed to high temperatures, requiring lining materials with excellent high temperature resistance, thermal insulation, and chemical corrosion resistance.
High temperature resistance, able to withstand temperatures up to 900 degrees Celsius with strong stability, no thermal expansion or cracking, excellent thermal insulation, low thermal conductivity, reducing heat loss and maintaining stable furnace temperature, chemical corrosion resistance, suitable for the reducing atmosphere inside the hydrogenation furnace, extending the lifespan of the furnace lining, convenient installation and maintenance, modular, design, easy installation, dismantling, and maintenance, improving cost effectiveness. Installation methods of CCEWOOL refractory ceramic fiber fold blocks in hydrogenation furnace. Depending on the distribution of the hydrogenation furnace burners, there are two types of furnace structures, cylindrical and box type. Therefore, two structural forms are used. Cylindrical furnace lining installation. Radiant room furnace wall bottom, 200 mm thick ceramic fiber blanket as the base lining, overlaid with 114 mm thick lightweight refractory bricks. Other areas, refractory ceramic fiber fold blocks are used for lining, with a herringbone support structure. Furnace top, 30 mm thick standard ceramic fiber blanket compressed to 50 mm thick, overlaid with 150 mm thick ceramic fiber blocks, fixed using single-hole suspension anchorage. Box-type furnace lining installation. Radiant room furnace wall bottom, similar to cylindrical furnace. 200 mm thick ceramic fiber blanket, overlaid with 114 mm thick, lightweight refractory bricks. Other areas, refractory ceramic fiber fold blocks are used with an angle iron anchorage structure. Furnace top, similar to cylindrical furnace, 2 layers of 30 mm thick, needle-punched blanket compressed to 50 mm, overlaid with 150 mm. Thick ceramic fiber blocks, fixed using single-hole suspension, anchorage. The arrangement of ceramic fiber fold blocks is critical to the thermal performance of the furnace lining. Common arrangement methods include parquet pattern, suitable for the furnace top, ensuring even thermal insulation and preventing the lining from cracking. The ceramic fiber fold blocks at the edges can be fixed using tie rods to enhance stability. CCEWOOL refractory ceramic fiber fold blocks are the ideal choice for hydrogenation furnaces in the petrochemical industry due to their outstanding high temperature resistance, thermal insulation, chemical corrosion resistance, and convenient installation and maintenance features. Through proper installation and arrangement, they can effectively improve the thermal efficiency of the hydrogenation furnace, reduce heat loss, and ensure efficient and safe production.
Recently, the CCEWOOL Low Biopersistent Fiber Aluminum Foil Blanket and CCEWOOL 1260 HPS Ceramic Fiber Blanket, ordered by our Portuguese client, have been successfully shipped.
We have been very satisfied with the order progress and service from CCEWOOL over the past 3 years. Particularly in the order processing, CCEWOOL has ensured that we understand the progress of each stage with clear video demonstrations and real-time updates, and we receive the products on time. Whether it's CCEWOOL Low Biopersistent Fiber Aluminum Foil Blanket or 1260 HPS Ceramic Fiber Blanket, the products were delivered as scheduled, and the quality has remained consistent. The efficient and transparent communication not only improved our work efficiency but also strengthened our confidence in the CCEWOOL brand.
Stock available at Charlotte, USA warehouse. CC Fire insulating fire bricks 2300, 2600, 2800, 3000. CCEWOOL high temperature insulation wool, RCF LBP PCW including blankets, boards, boards, papers, modules, bulks, ropes, etc. Nationwide distribution covering Canada, Mexico, and surrounding countries. Contact us now for fast delivery. The most reputable brand in the high temperature insulation fiber field for over 20 years.